Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jillian Magbanwa Maluyaw, 18, a first-year student at Carlos Hilado Memorial State University, taking up Bachelor in Technology Livelihood Education. My advocacy is mental health awareness and youth empowerment. Thank you.
Miss Talisay #1 will be sashed by the Honorable Mayor Nilo Jesus Antonio Nielizar III, together with attorney Jose Jonathan Eldama, our very own city administrator.